Do you want to create videos like this? Or videos like this? Or maybe even videos like this? Well then, if that's you, then you're gonna have to use the best video generating tool around, and that is Invideo AI, the next game-changing tool when it comes to creating awesome videos with only a sentence of prompts. So guys, in today's video we're going to be going over this incredible tool. We're going to be showing off what it can do, the power of this tool, and also we're going to be creating some awesome stuff. But guys, let's not waste any time, let's get into the PC. So as soon as you go over to the homepage, guys, the one thing that you notice is that it looks pretty cool. It looks like the kind of place where you can go and you can create some awesome stuff. So you can just generate videos using a single prompt. And as you can see guys, there it says that it has a generating learning curve. So basically it can create videos using a single prompt, and at the same time you can also add more things onto it so that you can continuously keep growing and generating more and more stuff off of one single idea. And also there at the bottom it says you can generate images and also videos, and then also it's the most advanced video generator currently out there, and we're gonna see today why it says so. And then once you click here in the corner guys, you'll see that it says there's a login section and also a sign up section. If you don't have an account, you're gonna have to sign up. If you do have an account, all you have to do is log in. So you click over here onto log in, and then it will take you over here. So now this is the creation section. So over here guys, you'll see it says create AI videos. It has text to clip, text to image, photo to clip, and also text to title clip. And basically this is the place where you're going to be creating all of the things that you want to. But for the purpose of today's video, we're going to be going over here to create AI video. And then once you click on that, it's going to take you over here guys, where you'll see it says on top Invideo AI, and then just under that it's Invideo AI version 1.0. Now we want to take that and we want to change it to version 3.0, which is the latest one. And guys, don't worry, we're going to be making a whole video just on that in an upcoming video. Let us know in the comments down below if you guys want to see that for an upcoming video. So guys, you're going to select version 3.0, and then here's the section where you can type in your prompt. So luckily guys, I already prepared a prompt for you, and the prompt says create a futuristic cityscape with flying cars zooming between skyscrapers at sunset while neon billboards flash advertisements in a cyberpunk world and people walking in the glow with high-tech outfits. So now the idea behind this guys is that you want to go into as much detail as possible so that you can get an incredible video out of it. So I know I said before that you can create it with one prompt, and yes you can. With a single sentence you can create some awesome stuff, but since this is a video where we're testing out the generator, why not see how far we can take it? So I thought, okay, let's give it a real test. So guys, and then when you're done with that, you're gonna go over here to the bottom and you're gonna click on generate your video, and then basically in a couple of minutes it's going to be going through everything. It's going to be analyzing your idea, then it's also going to be thinking about how it can put all of these things together. And then guys, as soon as you come over to this section guys, you're going to see that it shows you the type of things that you want to see in the video. So since it is creating a video, you can decide, do you want it to be realistic, do you want it to be an animation, do you want it to be anime? And then under that is the duration of it. So that means how long do you want the video? Do you want it to be a minute, 4 minutes, or 10 minutes? For the purpose of the video, I'm gonna say that I want this to be around about a minute, because also as you can see at the bottom, it does use up credits if you are choosing if you are choosing 10 minutes compared to 1 minute and 4 minutes. So guys, just remember that when you guys are selecting these videos, because that means that your payment plan does actually come into this, but we are going to be discussing that later on in the video. Then under there guys, you're going to choose your platform, which is either YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. So basically that just means if it is YouTube, it's going to be like that. It's going to be landscape. And if you're going to choose either Instagram or YouTube Shorts, that means it's going to be portrait, which means like that. And then guys, as soon as you're done with that, you're going to go to the bottom, you're just going to click on continue to generate, and then it's going to take a couple of minutes, and it's basically going to go through everything for us guys. As you can see there, it starts off by analyzing, so that means it's basically analyzing your idea. It's going into all the details, it's planning out the music, and the thing I love about this guys is that it even goes so far as to add voiceovers. It goes so far as to add some music to the background. It's going to add your videos, it's going to add some cool ideas, and also it's going to merge all of these things together. And guys, you're going to see later on, you can even go as far as selecting certain voices for it. So you can actually add in a certain style of a voiceover.
I've never seen anything like this. The buildings, they're so tall they seem to touch the sky. Flying cars zoom past me, their engines humming like giant mechanical bees. The people here, their clothes glow and pulse with light. It's like everyone's a walking neon sign. Welcome to Neo Tokyo, narrator's name. Enjoy your stay. Whoa, that billboard just spoke to me. It knows my name. How is that even possible? Wait, what's happening? The sky, it's changing.
So there you have it, guys. That is the video, and I must say, guys, it looks absolutely awesome. The fact that it could fit all of those ideas into the space of only a minute, guys, is pretty cool. And right now, guys, there's something even better, and this is one of the things that I think makes Invideo such a powerful tool. So now, guys, what you're gonna see is there's a section right under the actual video. So if you click on that, it says basically give me a command to edit. So that is your editing section. So what that allows you to do is you can click there, you can add any prompts that you want to, and basically what this is going to do is this is actually going to add in your ideas to the video, so you can change it up in any way that you want to. So for the purposes of the video, guys, I am going to be saying, okay, make this less futuristic and more modern. Also, make the main character of the video a superhero. Just out of curiosity, guys, I just want to see what they can do with it. Then you go over and you click on generate, and then it's going to start generating the video for you. And then, guys, you can see there that it is taking all of the things that we set into account. It is busy thinking. Now it's analyzing the idea. It's also adding some stuff in for us. And now, guys, there the video just finished. Let's take a look at the video that it created off of the changes that we made.
I've never seen anything like this. The buildings, they're so tall they seem to touch the sky. Cars zoom past me, their engines humming like a symphony of progress. The people here, their clothes are so stylish and modern. It's like everyone's a fashion icon. Welcome to Johannesburg. Narrator's name. Enjoy your stay. Whoa, that billboard just spoke to me. It knows my name. How is that even possible?
So there you just saw the second video, guys. Now, the one thing I am a little bit sad about is that they didn't kind of add in the superhero aspect. But I mean, technically I was adding so many prompts, so it's a pretty big thing that I was asking, but at the same time, it still did pretty amazing. Because as you can see through the clips, it actually doesn't look as futuristic in certain parts. They actually did kind of make it more modern, especially the section with the road. And I like the fact that it actually does follow all the instructions I gave. I mean, literally just apart from the superhero, but then again, that is up to interpretation, because the part where the guy was looking to the side, he kind of looked like a superhero. And also, guys, as you will see in the video that they are showing you, it does show you a couple of watermarks here and there, but overall, basically, the idea of the watermarks is that this is just basically so that they're showing you before you download it. Once you actually download the video and you go here into this section right on the side and you click download, then you'll see it says stock watermarks or no watermarks. Then you can also check out the Invideo AI branding. Do you want to be normal? Do you want to be subtle? Or do you just want no branding at all? And then also that your download resolution, I will always suggest go for 1080p, and basically that just shows you're gonna get the best quality that they do offer. So now, guys, there is one more thing that I really do want you guys to see. And then, guys, as soon as you go over to the bottom, you just press continue, and then it's going to go over and it's going to start downloading the video for you. So you see there on the right hand side where it says made with Invideo AI by Tyan's Workspace. So there it's going to be rendering the video, and then it's going to be downloading it for you, and it's going to show up in the downloads or documents folder on your PC. But now, guys, there is also one more thing that I really want to show you guys, and this is something that I actually think is also something that really is a game changer when it comes to Invideo. So, guys, if you do look at this section here, you just go back to your video, and then you'll see there's a tiny section that's right next to download. And if you click on that, it says edit. So this is actually pretty cool. This is where if your video was 80% perfect and it was almost there, and you wish that maybe you could have just changed one or two things in the video, well, you can do it here. So you can actually go into this section, and it breaks down each and every single one of your clips into certain chapters. And now you can take those chapters and you can replace it with basically anything that you want. So as you can see here, you can see this, you can see the chapters. You can click on any one of the chapters that you want to. You can see there it goes all the way from 3 seconds to 5 seconds, 5, 5, 5. So that's the length of them, and you'll also then know exactly what they are using. Then when you go under that, it says you can either replace the media that you've clicked on with an uploaded media, a stock media, or a generative media. So usually the one that I would use is generative media, because that is the stuff that they are creating on their side, and it kind of then fits the video perfectly, because if you're adding your own media, you might see a total difference in the quality or whatever they're showing. Especially for this example, since they are showing something that's futuristic, a picture of me isn't necessarily going to look futuristic, you know what I mean? So I'm just going to go with the generative examples that they have, that. And when you click on it, it basically shows you this. So there you'll see this is actually the examples that we had from the previous one that we did create, with a couple of extras also. And I just like the fact that they are giving a whole lot of stuff. And the one that really stands out to me is this one, this medium shot of this guy. I think that's just so cool. I really want that to be the second shot of the video. Now going to the first clip, I really love this specific clip right here of the tall skyscrapers and also the futuristic world. I really like that one. Then you just go to the bottom and you say apply. You can go to the bottom and you can see even more media info on the video. And then guys, you can even go into this section where you can change the music. You can also maybe even change the script if you want the AI voice to say something differently. And also right over there guys, you can even see the narrator section. So you can actually change the narrator that you have on the video. So that means, like I said before, you can change it to a southern guy, you can change it to a British speaking guy, you can change it to they have a long list of different voices. You can change to anyone that you want, and that will put your personal touch, your personal flair on the actual voiceover itself. And then you go over here to the settings and you'll see this is just a couple of other things that you maybe want to do. So a technology overlay, there's also old film dust. I like the fact guys that it has all of this creativity behind it. It's a lot of stuff that you can add on that makes the video more personalized. It's not necessarily just like I'm typing in a couple of stuff and then it's just gonna give that video to me. It's actually, I can type in some stuff and then I can actually fully change it the way that I want to, and personalizing it for myself and making it perfect for me. And that's just the power of the tool guys. And like I said before, remember, it's only going to get better as time goes on. And then guys, as you see there at the bottom, there is another section where it says narrator, and for this one I specifically chose American, a middle-aged voice, clear and articulate with a hint of wonder and also some nervous energy. Considering that he's speaking about the futuristic world and stuff, I just thought a little bit of nervousness is going to work for this. And then you're going to go over to save changes, and then it's literally going to be applying all of those changes, and it's actually going to be adding them into the video guys. And then it's going to generate another video for you. For this, I'm gonna select the exact same settings, and then I'm just gonna press OK, and then it's gonna start rendering the video, and it's gonna download the video for us. And guys, now the video is done, so it's time for us to take a look at the example that we have now, based on all the changes that we applied.
I've never seen anything like this. The buildings, they're so tall they seem to touch the sky. Cars zoom past me, their engines humming like a symphony of progress. The people here, their clothes are so stylish and modern. It's like everyone's a fashion icon. Welcome to Johannesburg. Narrator's name. Enjoy your stay. Whoa, that billboard just spoke to me. It knows my name. How is that even possible? Wait, what's happening? The sky. It's changing.
So that was the third example guys, and I must say that I am really liking the stuff that Invideo AI is doing. And guys, this just has me excited. I can't stop saying this, but it has me so excited for what the future brings, because as new versions come out, this tool is even gonna get better guys. But now guys, we have to go into what does all of this actually cost? Because as you know, the free plan is there, but obviously for certain perks, you're gonna need to have the paid plan. So let's go into that. But wait guys, before we actually get into that, this is actually something that I also happen to like. The fact that since I chose that I want these to be YouTube videos, I do like the fact that it actually went as far as showing me how it's gonna look on YouTube. You see, it even gave me a little intro, it even created a fake page for me, it added an entire description, and I just like the fact that it's doing this. It's just going the extra mile for us, and I must admit it's pretty cool. But right now guys, going into the paid plan section. So as you can see guys, there is the free plan, which costs you absolutely nothing, but you only get 10 AI minutes per week. There's no generative credit, so that means when it comes to generating added on stuff to your things, you can't do that because you don't have any generative credits. Then also there's no voice clones. You have 10 gigabytes of storage and also 4 exports per week with watermarks. But now if you don't want the watermarks, then you have to go into the paid plans. And now guys, you see you have the plus, you have the max, and also the generative one. And these go from $35 for plus, goes to $70 for the max, and also $130 per month for the generative one. Now personally guys, if you are going to be using the plan, then I would say go with the one that I currently have, which is the plus plan, which is $35 per month, and it will allow you to create a whole lot of stuff. Not to the extent that the other ones can, but this is the perfect one for people that's starting out, people that actually wants to play around with the tool, and also actually create some content using this tool. If you then do see that you can use this for a whole lot of other things, then possibly think about going on to the other plans. But if you want to start out at the first one, which is the Plus plan. And also guys, if you do want to get the access to the website, you maybe can't find it online and you want to find out some more information about this, then you can go over to the description of this video, guys, and all the information about this incredible tool is going to be there. But guys, whichever plan you do decide to go for, guys, I just want you guys to give it a try. I can guarantee you're gonna have a whole lot of fun creating some awesome stuff. And also let us know what is your thoughts when it comes to this tool down in the comments below. So that is it for this one, guys. I hope that you guys had a whole lot of fun, and I hope that I could persuade you to check out Invideo, guys, because it is definitely one of those tools that you don't want to miss out. And guys, if you're not necessarily too into Invideo AI, then don't you worry, guys, because we have more videos coming up on different kinds of video generators and a whole lot of different topics. So guys, don't forget to give this video a like, also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And also, if you have a tool that you are maybe thinking about and also you maybe want us to delve into, then drop that in the comments, guys, and we will talk about it in upcoming videos, guys. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will always stay up to date with all the different content that is coming out, guys. This has been Zeno Media, guys. It has been a whole lot of fun, and don't forget that we will catch you on the next one.